Michael Lee and I'm a visual artist from Singapore. I conceived this project called Cut, Paste, Share as a community collage workshop come exhibition. And it's really about two things. The idea that collaging and mixing different materials together could offer new ideas and reveal hidden emotions and stories, as well as seeing collages as a form of suggestion, suggestiveness. So what we have been doing the whole morning was to actually we started with them with a warm-up exercise for which they just need to come up with a headgear using paper and fabric. Basically make something that they could wear that suggests a little bit about who they are and what makes them tick. And from then on, we had a series of 3 progressive activities for them to make maybe 2 or 3 pieces of collages, or progressively build up towards their final one big collage piece, which could range from a flat collage to something a bit more relief and 3D, like an architectural model, to something wearable as well. So we also had a good discussion on the complexities of making suggestions. What is a good suggestion? How do we respond to suggestions? And also how it relates to context and timing. And so we're at the end of the workshop, and I'm really happy with the outcome, because I have a group of people within the workshop participants who come from different backgrounds. Some of them are artists and practicing designers. Some of them took leave from the work to spend time with one another. I really think that their background and their personality makeup and all that really come forth, and kind of there's a lot of sharing among them, and allowing different ideas to seep into their own experiences. And I think I also see friendships and conversations happening. So yeah, I think we did well. So I'm very happy. Okay, so we come back at 12:30. You eat very fast.
Okay, my name's Rahaya. I had a blast today working with Michael. The most important thing for me was that I started out with one idea and some fixed idea of what I'm going to do, how I'm going to approach, my piece of art. But I actually ended up, veering away from it and discovering different ways of entering, a concept.
My name is Darius. So today I took part in this workshop, and it was more fun than I expected. Got to meet a lot of different people, and to see how they identify different issues and their creative ways of looking at them and solving them. I think that's very interesting.